The JUP airdropped has just dropped, and if you're wondering what is JUP, what is JAP, don't worry about it. I'm going to explain all of that and how this kid just made $1 million on the platform. As you can see, I've now hired a full-time 14-year-old child to farm airdrops 24/7. He's not allowed to eat, he's not allowed to sleep. All he's allowed to do is farm these airdrops. In fact, he doesn't even speak English. Now, hopping right into it, right? If you look at Twitter, Twitter's going absolutely crazy right now. And as you can see, this kid, his name's not short, so I presume he's probably pretty short. Made over $1 million farming the JUP airdrop. Now, you can go watch this video for yourself. I'm not going to play too much of it, but as you can see,
success of the round one of the Jupiter airdrop, I thought I'd show you how I got such a big allocation in the first round and how you can get a big allocation in the rounds to come. So today, I'm just going to go over.
You can go check out this video for yourself. I'll leave it in the Telegram link. Link for that is in the description. And this airdrop isn't the last airdrop. In fact, there's probably going to be some more. The reason for this is because JUP is going to continue to build. They're going to continue to release new products. But now people have seen that this is a big airdrop and you can make real money from it. People are going to be farming this left, right, and center. So I recommend making it part of your daily routine to farm the JUP airdrop. And the way you do that is very simple. Download the Phantom wallet. Okay. Go over to the different apps over here. Then inside of the Phantom wallet, it's actually fairly easy. Like inside of it, it's fairly self-explanatory. They're going to show you like all the different platforms. You can see at the top, trending is Jupiter. Now, when you click Jupiter, all you need to do is actively use this platform. If you're familiar to crypto as a whole, it's exactly the same as Uniswap. In fact, it has way more benefits than Uniswap because you can place limit orders, you can DCA, and you can bridge different tokens. You can also trade perpetuals on the exchange as well. So all I would do is whatever amount you have, whether you have, $1,000, $100, even like $10 or whatever, right? Go on the platform, actively use it. Trade on the swaps, whether that's, 1 Solana, 10 Solana, whatever. Place limit orders, DCA, bridge, and mess about with perpetuals, right? Don't blow your whole load and waste money on it. You trade it just to be active so you can farm the airdrops, right? It's so you can be an active user. What these guys are doing is they're rewarding active use. So if you literally just go in there, buy, sell, place a limit order, DCA, bridge from here to here, and put a 100x leverage long on with $5, see what happens. Done. On to the next one, okay? And the good thing is that this isn't the only airdrop. There's so many more airdrops. In fact, I think even Phantom is doing an airdrop as well. If you go over to quests as well, you can see I've already completed my quest here. You can see subscribe to Drip Collectibles, collect the collectibles. You can even learn more about the Drip airdrops, DeFi, and all the other airdrops that are happening right now. In fact, fun fact, it says here, the JUP airdrop is one of the biggest ever with over 955,000 wallets eligible to claim. Ridiculous. It's clear that money is made out of thin air because these guys are airdropping tens of thousands of dollars to $1 million out of thin air, and some people are working their whole lifetimes for this. Very clear what industry you need to be obsessed about right now. This is life-changing gains that you can make simply by having a daily routine and just trading here and there. Whether it was $1,000 or more, it doesn't matter. It's free bloody money. Most people exchange months or years or lifetimes of their money for this exact same stuff that you can just do from the comfort of your own home, right? In terms of the price of JUP right now, me personally, I'm not buying it. If you do look at these 5-minute candles over the past day, we're going to continue to go down, right? We'll continue to go down, and market makers will let this happen. BYBIT, Binance, they're happy just collecting fees from people buying and selling this token, right? I wouldn't do anything on this until at least a week or two, and then I'll buy in. So many times with these types of projects, if you look at the Uniswap airdrop, for example, or if you look at the Ape, when Ape first released, you'll see, right? Ape, USD, right? Ape was airdropped to all of the Ape holders. In fact, a lot of pumping right now. But Ape was airdropped to all of the holders that held bored apes or mutant apes and whatnot. And I don't know if this is specifically the chart, but you'll see it will dip, right? It will dip. It will look something like this, right? Something like this. So you'll have an initial dip, initial sell-off. Bear in mind, this is the daily chart, so this is about 3 days in. Then you'll have another dip here, and then you'll get the pump, right? So we don't know where the specific price point is because obviously it's such a new token. But in terms of like visually, you want to see a very big dip. Okay, then you want to see all the people get in for that quick trade, so most people will take profits again. Okay, and then you want to get in again after that. Okay, so if we zoom in here, in fact, let me do it on Binance. Binance is going to be better than BYBIT right now. So you see, this could be the initial dip, of course, to 5. Okay, but let's say we dip, we pop up again. Okay, we dip again, anywhere lower. This will be like kind of my buy area out here. Okay, but again, just wait for a few days. Be patient, and you'll be able to get good entries in this. I'm going to be buying this because easy money. If you don't know, right, where attention goes, money flows. So you want to be wherever the attention is. Clearly, if we look at Twitter, 665,000 views. The attention right now is on airdrops and Solana. So the money right now is on airdrops and Solana. And what's going to happen is this is going to siphon money out of Bitcoin, out of Ethereum, out of all the other exchanges, and it's going to push all of that money into the Solana ecosystem, because money, my friend, clearly doesn't disappear. It just moves. So you want to be wherever the money is. So all of these bags that you've got that you're obsessed about, yes, they're probably going to pump, but they're not going to pump right now. What's pumping right now is Solana ecosystem, meme coins and things with no substance, and airdrops. So your complete obsession up until the BTC halving right now should be airdrops, meme coins, Solana ecosystem. That's it for today, guys. If you do want to learn how to make money online, invest into crypto, and you want a full 5-hour tutorial to learn everything that you need to know, whether that's private sales, making money, airdrops, how to buy crypto, the best exchanges in whatever country you're in, check the links in the description, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.